daming bees sa labas. Especially dun sa aming kit, yung sa cornflower na nagbika. Yan cornflower too, kasi para din siyang cornflower ba. And para din siyang daily life. Yeah, ang daming bees. And actually, I have to water. Ang init today. It's really hot today. Here's our zucchini from the garden. The second dinner. Rice and chicken.
The next day.
Maglinis tayo ng oven. Hi guys. Good morning. So, this is the start of my vlog, is to clean the oven. Woke up around like mga 7, almost 7 a.m. na. I had cereal for breakfast. And that's it. And I need my gloves on. And this is what I use all the time. So, cutter no. Kakulay ko yung gloves sa sweater. I have here a paper towel. And I have a white sponge. This sponge, this is first I'm using.
You might want to month now or what? Clean it pretty often now.
Because we had rolls. Every time we had rolls or bacon, it needs to be clean actually. I'll do
Not
it.
that bad.
Yeah, not bad. Ayan siya guys. Then I will just rinse. So while yun I sprayed again because it's the second spray I did. So while waiting for that is i-clean ko na lang yung yan. I'll clean that. Tapos din, ito ka magla-lunch na. Not perfect, but it is better. I'm just gonna wipe outside here. I already have my shower now. Nagbat na ako. Make ako ng coffee. And for lunch, lunchtime na kasi. It's 1 o'clock and 30 minutes na. A can of corn. And microwave now. Ayun. Nandito si Mr. But I asked him what he wants to eat. Sabi niya, coffee lang daw. May coffee siguro siya sa taas. He had a coffee. And then, I will have a corn at least kasi I got really tired cleaning this, from cleaning this oven. I am not sure how to unplug, take this off, guys, because I actually want to clean inside of there. I don't know how to clean that in there. There's something in there. Yan yung lunch ko. Kawawa naman si Mr. Sa tingin ko hindi siya kumakain din kasi baka sa dinner na lang din siya. I-reserve na lang niya sa dinner para I wasn't suggesting Otis and Elsa to take care of as a companion or, you know, treat like as a 4 babies. Maybe I'm probably still nag-work pa ako. Kain tayo. Siguro nag-work pa ako at hindi ako masyadong pagod. Maybe because of having these two, parang napamahal na sa akin ba, na naalagaan ko rin kasi they really need actually to someone who take care of a pet kasi yung pupo, tapos yung maiwan sa bahay, mag-isa. Ang sweet naman din nila. Ang sweet nilang dalawa. Napamahal na rin. 5 years na rin ito. Si Elsa nga, 5 years na this coming, 26 sa August. Ngayon, every year, yearly din naman din itong bet nila. Another expense na po niyan. Ang naiisip ko talaga na trabaho is yung naglilinis, ganun. Sa hotel, yun lang naman talagang napasukan ko dito. Since I came here, yun lang ang natrabahuan ko. At kung babalik ako kasi, mapapagod na naman ulit ako. Yun yung iniisip ko. Kaya, mapapagod ka naman talaga when you are, you know, doing your job. Pero kasi, marami kang iniisip din dito ba sa bahay. Tapos, meron din akong mga iniisip na iba pa rin. May pinagdadaanan din. So, ano bang pipiliin ko? Pero, yung nakaraan na, tapos ngayon may isip mo, trabahuin mo yung sarili mo muna. Kung gusto mong ibalik or hindi mabalik kasi hindi mo naman mabalik yun. Yung matupad yung mong iniisip mo, ay, mistake ko to, bakit ganito na? Ba't hindi ko nagawa? Parang gusto mo siyang i-fulfill ba? Na gawin mo na, tatrabaho ulit ako kasi gusto ko na. Kasi ito, nababother ako nito, yung mama ko. Tanda na, tapos ang layo ko, walang ibang anak, tapos yun, binagbabayad ng kasama niya doon. Yung asawa ko, yung lang yung tumutulong din kasi ako hindi ako nag-work. Kailangan ko na sigurong magtrabaho. Tapos sabi ko, baka mangyari ulit na mabibisi ako sa trabaho. Baka may mangyari sa akin na makalimutan ko na ulit yung goals ko na ito. Kasi nga, kumikita na ako ng pera. Tapos napupunta na lang. 2018 din yun. So, parang almost a year siya na walang trabaho. Ayun. Yun din pala. Oo. Ayun. Pero, sa tutuusin, meron talaga sana Hindi lang talaga na natarong ba. Wala ko nag-set o goals ba na ubos na. Ayun. Kung hindi lang nagkataon na pauwi ng Pilipinas, tapos na-resign ako sa work ko noon kasi hindi na ako makalakad kasi meron yung time na nagdi-deep clean ako tapos ang mainit yung hotel na yun tapos taglamig na yun kasi November ganun at pag uwi ko sa bahay naglakad ako hindi ako nagstay sa trabaho ng kahit saglit man lang para makarest ako kasi palagi nung deep cleaning doon ganun yun naman talaga yung trabaho mo yung mag deep clean, diba? Kung ano yung iutos sa'yo yun gagawin mo and yun magdi-deep clean ka tapos ang init at para ako nag-workout ba yung lahat ng katawan ko ba na talaga nainitan ayun paglabas na nabugnawan pag uli sa pagkaugma hindi na makalakad sa sakit Kaya sabi ko, akala ko nga nung pag-uwi namin dun sa Pilipinas, akala ko na i-wheelchair ko ni Mr. or baka ika-cancel niya yung aming flight kasi hindi ako makalakad. Makalakad ako pero sakit siya lakad, so dapat nakalingkod lang ko. Akala ko nga, sus, thank God na lang kasi pagkasunod ugma, after 2 days lang, after 2 days to 3 days, nakakuan na, okay na akong tuhod, akong tiil. Ang ginawa ko ron, naghaplas ko, and then nagamit talaga ako ng heating pad. Yung heating pad talaga ang nakatulong, at saka while I'm laying sa bed or couch, nag-raise ako ng legs ko, mga pinoposition ko yung legs ko ba kung ano yung feeling ko na feel better. Yun, buti na lang talaga na ganun ang pag-iisip ko ba na i-move ko yung legs ko, stretching, ano bang when you feel the pain, kung asan yung pain, asan yung hindi pain, yung asan yung di masakit, doon ko ilalagay position yung legs ko, then go back to the other side na naman yung, basta nag-stretching lang ako nun with the heating pad. I thank God na lang at na okay na ko. Grabe yun, at paano na kasi yun November 10, usually ganyan mga palapit din yung menstruation ko. Kaya sumakit ang tiyan ko while sa aming flight. Grabe talaga. Grabing kalbaryo na ako na feeling ko I don't deserve to come home sa Pilipinas or to see my mom. Like ganun. Yun yung mga feeling ko na. Kasi ang tagal ko rin 8 years din yun na hindi ako nakauwi. Yung parang feeling ko na di naman ako kailangan. Yung ganun. Yung wala namang no one is gonna be excited to see me naman. Ganun ba? Kasi man, akong mama ra siguro po ba? So, pag uwi na akong mama, pero huwag na akong mga nasa ko igagaw na ako usap po na siya lang talaga yung ever since naman yung nakilala ko si Scott, yun yung cousin ko talaga na kasama namin ni mama ko, si Ate Marivic. So, siya yun yung nabait sa akin. Kahit hindi, lang siya talaga, mabait lang siya ba sa akin. Feeling ko talaga, wala naman nagkakagusto sa akin. Yeah, thankful ako sa mga tao na ganyan na tagal-tagal hindi ko nakakausap. Yung nag-greet ko lang sila pag may okasyon, yung Christmas, New Year, nagme-message ako dun. Pag uwi ko, wini-welcome naman ako ni ate ng cousin ko, diba? So, iba kong cousin sa side ng papa ko at mga auntie. Nandun naman sila din. Ang dami kong mga iniisip ngayon at this time of year. Kasi, meron lang talaga akong pinagdadaanan ba na something na mag-stop sa mga gagawin ko na, kasi parang nag-regret ako ba nung ganito naman ako, tapos bakit ganito, ganyan, diba? Important ko si mama noon, tapos medyo konti-konti pa yung mga napadala ko noon kasi pa si mama pa hindi pa masyadong nangangailangan. Ngayon nangangailangan na si mama kasi nga tiguang na meron na rin siya mga mga sakit sa lawas na sakit ng tuhod, sakit na ang likod, di na kayo makalakaw. Kaya nga naghihirap kami ngayon kasi si Mr. lang yung nagtatrabaho. Ayun, yun yung dapat pag-isipan ko ba. Kasi alam ko ang mangyayari niyan Ganun ba na pag-iisip ko para, magawa ko yung sa tingin kong dapat kong gawin para sa amin at para sa Mr. ko. Kasi sa tingin ko parang hindi na siya masaya. Hindi siya masaya sa akin. Or hindi na siya masaya dahil, siya lang nagtatrabaho. Yung ganun, yun yung feeling. Pa dyan? Kasi nga, puro na lang talaga sa bayarin dito. Dito sa bahay, dito sa mga bills mo, kuryente, sa tubig, sa phone. Ganyan. Ay, palubat na yung phone ko. Ay, ko kayo mamaya kaysa at i-charge ko muna tong phone ko. There's a lot of bees. That's bees there. Another bee. Another bee. That's bee. Oh, it's floated away. There's a bee in that. This Rhodbeka is very good for pollination, like for pollinate. It's good for pollinator. Also the cosmos. I like the cosmos too.
The next day.
Good morning everybody. Good morning. Good morning sa ating pollinator na Becca. So pollinator siya. Very good for pollination. Ayan o. Yung yellow. Bees. Maraming bees. Ito ay nabuhay naman. I thought this will not gonna flower but it's coming. Naglilinis ako dito. May raspberry na oh. Ayan. Meron ng raspberry dyan. Ito. Ayan. Raspberries. We have more up here. So it's already August. So hopefully it's... Naglilinis ako and I already harvested 2 more zucchini. And of course more blossom and rot na zucchini. So yeah, hopefully it will get bigger. But first I will clean up this. The blossom and rot. I cleared up some leaves. I used the cutter. So let's clean it up. Meron akong i-harvest na cucumber. Where is it? It's the maybe it's gonna get bigger. Yung cucumber, isa lang. Yung tomato, ayan oh. It's still small. Pero may bigger na doon, but it's not red yet. Hi, buddy. Hi. Hello. Oh, look at him. Just wait there. Mag-harvest ako ng beans. Ayan oh. Ay, maliit pa. Here. This is bigger. There's a bigger one here. No, it's not yet big enough or tall enough. Wala pa. It will get soon. Marami pa naman eh. Ayan oh. It's still small. Pero baka yung piece pwede na. Ito oh. Ano, ewan ko anong weeds to. Bulaklak yata to. Yung tumubo dito. Yan o, ang dami. Not sure kung ano yan. Ito, perfect. Bandito siya sa ko. So, again guys, ito yung na-harvest ko na peas. Madami-dami din to. Yung zucchini. Today, nag-harvest ako ng 2. And today, another 2. And today's, one of the 2 is, yan. This was today. And it has yellowing on the, nasa ground kasi siya. This was yesterday. 1, 2, and then this 2 today. We have 2 summer squash na palaki na. It's getting bigger. And then the rest of the summer squash is still small. But hopefully, cleaning it up there, you know, hopefully it will make the plant grow healthier vegetable. And I'm gonna... Ayan. Here's our bees, guys. Yeah, buddy. I give them the whole thing. So this is for Elsa. Otis already had. Otis is already opening it up. Here you go, Elsa. Just one for today, okay? There's one more. Here you go. Elsa already opened it up. There, she's already eating 2 peas. Okay, here you go. She's working on it. There you go. Yeah. Oh, there's no more. Oh, there's one. There's one more. No more peas? Yay, no more. It's empty. And Otis had a shredded shell, or what do you call this? Shell. I think they got used to this because every year meron kaming peas. Kill ko lang and then I'll update. Whoa! You had one. Tomorrow again. We have one piece in our garden. Yeah, we have one piece. That piece.
A few moments later.
No, just I'm gonna get used to this eyelashes. See? Look. Because they cannot go work. Nakakaganda talaga yung eyelashes. Eyelashes makes the eyes pretty. His lunch bag day and the tool. He left this lunch bag last 4 days ago because not feeling well, but and here's a tool for the stool. We're gonna tighten our stool. So we're gonna use our what is this coupon. So every year we have a reward coupon, and it means also our membership renewal is also renewed in September, or needs to be renewed in September. So the time we get a coupon in the mail, then the renewal schedule is also coming up. Yeah, so if we have to, we will, but if not, then we can wait till the next time, if ever, you know, we will go back to Costco. But $1, okay, that's already 20. The granola bars is maybe also 20, so that's 40, 50, 67, so $30 more. So maybe coffee.
Keurig coffee.
Yeah, Keurig coffee. Oh, that's gonna be 30. So it's gonna be just enough for $75. I will be right there when they poop, so I can put the paper towel. I don't need to use a plastic to get their poop, to, you know, lessen our plastic use. It's organic or compostable. Yeah, but it's expensive. There is that, but yeah, we cannot afford that. So I better use the paper towel. And we have a few roll of plastic one, but I use that only in a while. It's fixing, I don't know, putting lights. Oh, what is that brown turning up there?
Huh?
What is that turning up there in the, like a little windy?
There are birds, and the birds sitting right next to it. They're like, what?
Oh, this na lang I had back home now. We haven't used we didn't able to use our coupon kasi we went to the self-checkout sa Costco, and then you cannot scan that coupon because we're not in the real cashier. So we can use the coupon next time. Bili ka lang ng toilet paper, paper towel, tapos yung 2 chips, tapos ice cream and granola bar. Yung 2 chips. And then it's already 100. Yung coupon nga is 75 lang. So kung we have used the coupon, baka we can pay less. But we haven't used it for day. But it's okay. And we Dairy Queen for lunch. Ito yung french fries nila. Dairy Queen french fries. And I have a mushroom. This for hubby. I think he's stocking for the toilet paper. I use a lot of more toilet paper kasi ano ba? Pag may period ako, ang dami kong magamit talaga. Help Otis? Otis will go in. In there. Here, help daddy. Oh, you're not helping. Oy. We're making a we're gonna sell all of this. We have a store of paper towel. No, there's even two toilet paper here. 2 like this left.
I know, that's what it is. Hopefully it'll be good for a couple of weeks.
I can use water, but we don't have a spray na. We're not toilet. What do you call that? Spray?
Bidet.
Bidet.
It's cold though there.
So,
Cold.
I'm a woman. I need more toilet paper.
You want cold water?
No.
We can buy a spray.
Not in the winter. Cold in my butt. The bidet. So, yan, we're home. Home, everyone. Everybody. We're home. Home, guys. What's this? Lunch. Here, our breakfast earlier. Tim Hortons, and I ate 2. And these are leftover.